Let me be brutally honest with you. Most freelancing advice is garbage. People tell you to just sign up for Upwork or create a Fiverr profile like that's some kind of strategy. Then you're sitting in a hostel in Chiang Mai, watching your savings drain, wondering why you have 0 clients after 2 weeks. I'm going to show you exactly how to make real money freelancing on the road. Not theory, not motivational fluff, the actual system I used to go from 0 income to consistently earning $3,000 to $5,000 per month while traveling through 40 countries. This is video 24 of the Budget Nomad course, and this might be the most valuable 19 minutes of training you'll get in this entire program. Here's what nobody tells you about Upwork and Fiverr. They're not equal opportunity platforms. They're stacked against beginners, especially when you're competing against people in countries where $5 per hour is good money. But here's the thing. You don't need to compete on price. You need to compete on positioning. I spent my first month on Upwork sending 47 proposals. Know how many responses I got? 3. Know how many jobs I landed? 0. I was doing everything wrong, and I'm going to make sure you don't make the same mistakes. The freelancing game has 3 phases. Phase 1, the survival phase. Your first $1,000. This is where 80% of people quit. You're building credibility from nothing. Phase 2, the growth phase. Getting to consistent $2,000 to $4,000 months. You have testimonials, you're getting repeat clients, you can actually pay your bills. Phase 3, the selection phase. You're turning down work. You're raising rates. You're choosing clients based on lifestyle fit, not desperation. Most courses only teach you how to set up a profile. I'm going to walk you through all 3 phases with the exact tactics that work. Stop asking, what am I passionate about? Start asking, what can I learn quickly that people will pay for within 30 days? Here's the reality check. You need cash flow before you need fulfillment. Once you're making money, you can pivot to passion projects. The fastest earning freelance skills for nomads break into 3 categories. Category 1, high demand writing services. Email copywriting. Businesses need this constantly. SEO blog posts. $50 to $150 per 1,000 word article once you're established. Product descriptions for e-commerce, social media captions, and content calendars. Why these work? Low barrier to entry, high volume of jobs. You can do them from anywhere with terrible Wi-Fi. Category 2, visual content creation. Video editing, especially short form for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Thumbnail design, social media graphics, basic photo editing. Why these work? Businesses are desperate for content creators. The demand is insane right now. You don't need to be a professional designer. You need to be fast and reliable. Category 3, technical skills with low learning curves. Basic WordPress management, data entry and research, transcription and captioning, virtual assistant tasks. Why these work? These are volume businesses. You won't get rich, but you can land your first $500 in 2 weeks. Here's my advice. Pick one skill. Master the basics in 1 week. Start applying. You can expand later. Your Upwork or Fiverr profile isn't a resume. It's a sales page. And most people get this catastrophically wrong. The fatal mistakes. Writing about yourself instead of client results. Using generic descriptions like hard worker or detail-oriented. No portfolio examples. Pricing too low. Yes, too low is a problem. The profile that converts. Profile title. Don't say freelance writer. Say email copywriter who increased client revenue by 34%. Be specific. Use numbers. Create curiosity. Overview section structure. Opening line. I help e-commerce brands turn email subscribers into repeat customers. See what I did there? Immediately told them who I help and what result I deliver. Next paragraph. In the past 6 months, I've written over 200 email sequences for online stores, generating an average click-through rate of 3.2%. Industry average is 1.1%. Specific, credible, results-focused. Third paragraph. My process is simple. You give me your brand voice and customer pain points. I deliver compelling email sequences that feel personal and drive sales. No fluff, no delays. You're selling certainty. Clients don't want creative geniuses. They want someone who won't waste their time. Portfolio section. This is where beginners panic because they don't have client work yet. Here's the hack. Create spec work. Find a business you like, create a sample for them. A blog post, an email sequence, a social media content calendar. Make it good, add it to your portfolio with the title, Sample Email Campaign for Eco-Friendly Skincare Brands. You need 3 portfolio pieces minimum. Spend 3 days creating these. They're your ticket in. Pricing strategy for beginners. Don't charge $5 per hour. You'll attract nightmare clients and devalue yourself. Instead, charge $15 to $25 per hour to start or use fixed project pricing. For writing, I started at $50 per 1,000-word article. Low enough to get hired, high enough to be taken seriously. After your first 5 clients and good reviews, raise your rates by 25%. New clients pay the new rate, existing clients stay at the old rate until you renegotiate. This is where most freelancers fail. They send generic proposals and wonder why clients ghost them. I'm going to give you the exact formula I used to go from 6% response rate to a 40% response rate. The 5-paragraph proposal. Paragraph 1, the personal hook. Hi, Sarah. I just checked out your Shopify store for organic dog treats, and I love that you're using compostable packaging. That's going to resonate with your target market. You must personalize. Use their name. Reference something specific about their business. This takes 60 seconds and separates you from the 50 other proposals that start with Dear Sir or Madam. Paragraph 2, the credibility statement. I've written product descriptions and email campaigns for 3 other pet brands in the past 4 months, helping them improve click-through rates and reduce cart abandonment. Short, specific, relevant to their project. Paragraph 3, the solution preview. For your project, I'd focus on 3 things: highlighting the health benefits in the first 50 words, using sensory language that makes the treat sound irresistible, and including clear calls to action that reduce decision paralysis. You're showing them you understand their problem and you have a plan. You're not waiting for them to tell you what to do. Paragraph 4, the social proof. My last client saw a 28% increase in product page conversions after I rewrote their descriptions. I'd love to deliver similar results for you. Numbers, results, confidence. Paragraph 5, the soft close. I can deliver the first 3 product descriptions within 48 hours so you can see my style and quality. Would you be available for a quick 10-minute call this week to discuss your brand voice? You're making it easy. You're reducing risk. You're asking for a small commitment. Keep it under 250 words. Clients don't read essays. Never say, I'm new, but I'm eager to learn. You're positioning yourself as a professional, not a student. Include a relevant portfolio sample. Here's an example of similar work I did. Link. Apply to jobs within 1 hour of them being posted. Speed matters. The first 10 proposals get the most attention. What jobs to apply for? When you're starting, filter for jobs posted in the last 24 hours, payment verified clients, clients with 3+ hires and good reviews, budget that matches your rate. Don't waste time on low-ball jobs. Avoid jobs with 20+ proposals. You're competing in a crowd. Find the newer postings with 0 to 5 proposals. Apply to 10 jobs per day minimum when you're building momentum. This is a numbers game until you have reviews. You just landed your first client. Congrats! Now, don't screw it up. The first job strategy. Your goal isn't to make money. Your goal is to get a 5-star review and a testimonial. Deliver early. If they give you 5 days, deliver in 3. Communicate proactively. Send an update halfway through. Hey, I'm making great progress on this. I'll have the draft to you by Wednesday. Give them 1 round of revisions included. Make it frictionless for them to be happy. Ask for the review immediately after approval. Send this message. I'm so glad you're happy with the work. Since I'm building my reputation on the platform, would you mind leaving a quick review? It means the world to me as I grow my freelancing business. Most clients will do it. Some will forget. Follow up politely after 2 days. The scope creep problem. Here's what will happen. Clients will ask for just one more small thing. This is where you set boundaries. My script is, I'd be happy to add that. Since it's outside the original project scope, I can include it for an additional X dollars. Or we can save it for a follow-up project. What works better for you? Professional, friendly, firm. Never work for free hoping it'll lead to more work. It won't. It teaches clients you don't value your time. After your first 3 to 5 clients, the game changes. You're no longer proving yourself. You're building systems. The repeat client strategy. It's 10 times easier to get work from an existing client than to find a new one. After finishing a project, send this. I really enjoyed working.